and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be taking you on a house tour and showing you before and after results of our renovations that we have been doing for the past year. Hopefully you guys like the results of our renovations and can tell a difference. Let me know in the comments below what room or what area you like the most in the house. Don't forget, if you would like to see my makeup room or makeup storage organization video, I will link that down in the description box below. And let's just get straight into the video. So starting off, of course, from when you first walk into the house and into the lounge room, which we had to rip up the disgusting carpet, as you can see, and put grey tiles down. We repainted everything white, including this brown suede look wall that took lots of sanding. And then we also filled in that big space in this wall to be able to make the kitchen bigger and separate the space. So when you first walk in, it's more of a feature with this big set of drawers from IKEA for storage and a few things on top of the drawers, including this cute little Tiffany box, candles, mirror, which my old boss actually gave me, and we painted white. And then in the spaces that were in the walls, we added these vines that my dad gave me, and they've grown as nice greenery. I just think it looks really good. And then to the right of the entrance door, I added this chair and my only other plant in the house that sits on this table I got from Kmart. I only have this here because this chair was one of the first things I bought even before I knew what the house would look like. So impulse purchase, but it does kind of look cute. We end up putting the lounge in the center of the room basically, and then so we could center the TV on the main wall. It's nice and cozy with the coffee table and a super comfy lounge. The couch we got from a warehouse sale for way cheaper than usual. And then we obviously had the main TV, which we also got from IKEA. I love a bit of white. Also got this big standing mirror, which I love. I was so pumped when I got it from the store. It only cost like $100. The coffee table was actually our first piece of furniture, which I love because my dad made it for me. He used an old palette he had held onto at work, which he sanded back and then painted a gloss over the top. Then he had a frame painted in white, and it has sort of like a Scandi feel, and it is 100% my favorite piece of furniture I have. Then I also obviously love a good standing lamp. I have this pink suede ottoman and this dark grey chair that my work gave me as a going away present when I left. How cute is that? Now walking towards the kitchen is where eventually we will have a dining table, but since we don't have one yet, I have actually placed the daybed that we have there. Now onto my favorite area of the house, which was the grossest. It's the kitchen. I feel like we have changed a lot. We designed everything about the kitchen ourselves, including the space to make it bigger. As you can see, we ripped everything out. We filled that wall in to make it bigger and just create a really big kitchen. It was a really tiny kitchen, guys, and the space was not used appropriately. Started all over again. It's the same theme throughout the house. So we've got these dark grey bench tops, which James and I argued about a lot. I wanted everything to be white, but he won this one. So it's a stone bench top, all white gloss cabinets, and he really wanted like matte black handles. So all the drawers and lower cupboards have the matte black handles. I also picked this up off eBay, which I'll eventually paint white, but it's aqua for now. Anyways, hopefully you can tell the difference with this area. We also made these feature lights. I just picked up these two black fruit bowls from Kmart and then got the fixtures from Bunnings, and James basically had to make them, so that was good for me. And then we have this breakfast bar, which I wasn't a fan of breakfast bars, but it's so handy now. So everything is really matte black. We even have a matte black sink, and I just think that closing up that hole made a whole heap of difference. We now have way bigger pantry and cupboard space, and we have obviously these big drawers. I'm a big fan of huge drawers, and they have to be soft closing as well. Now onto this area. We had this bedroom. It was, I hate brown blinds. Everything was cream, so we just painted everything white. We got new grey carpet and really just like decorated the bedrooms. Like, this is just a spare bedroom. They're all quite small. That's the laundry. We haven't done that yet, so stay tuned. Onto the bathroom. This is our guest spare bathroom. It was pink bathtub, pink tiles, and the toilet was separate. We made it so that the toilet was all within the one area because it made the bathroom feel so much bigger. It was seriously so tiny. We put all white tiles from the floor to the ceiling to make it feel bigger. Then we also had the matte black features added in with the taps. We made this little alcove with this feature tile just to as a storage because I don't really like shelves. And then where the vanity is, we just had like a little floating vanity and huge mirrored cupboards. Like, I can't reach the top, they're so high, just to make the space feel bigger. So this is the other spare bedroom. It's my beauty room. It's obviously a bit different than if you watched my makeup room tour video, just because I've changed my filming setup since for some makeup videos that I've been doing with Maybelline. Now onto our bedroom. It is quite small, but it's definitely better as, again, we ripped up the carpet, painted everything. We got new fans and new lighting and everything, and then we obviously got new blinds as well because, I mean, it was gross. The carpet particularly was bad. And there you have it, that was the house tour. We still have a bit to go. I am thinking of doing a laundry makeover video because we haven't done that yet. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a laundry makeover video. I do love a bit of demo. It's probably my favorite part of renovating. Subscribe and hit the bell button if you want some notifications to know when I post next. And hopefully I will see you all very, very soon. Bye guys. Chief. You wanna lie down? Oh. Angel.